Retirement. Bucket list. Luxury destinations to inspire your golden years. Welcome to your golden years, a time to savor the freedom, joy, and possibilities that retirement brings. After decades of tireless work, you now have the opportunity to create extraordinary memories through travel. Retirement isn't a closing chapter, it's the start of something new, a chance to see the world's most exclusive and inspiring destinations. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through some of the world's luxury travel gems, providing ideas and inspiration for crafting your ultimate bucket list. Let's begin a new chapter of adventure, relaxation, and discovery. Imagine the life you've earned, a life where time is yours, unburdened by deadlines or responsibilities. Luxury travel during retirement is not just about seeing beautiful places. It's about rewarding yourself for years of dedication and embracing opportunities you now have the time and resources to pursue. Travel is transformative. It connects you to cultures, natural wonders, and once-in-a-lifetime experiences that expand your horizons. Whether you're stepping into the ancient streets of Europe, relaxing on pristine island shores, or marveling at wildlife in the African savanna, these moments are profoundly enriching. You've worked hard to create an extraordinary life, so why not celebrate it by traveling in style? Now, let's explore a carefully curated selection of destinations and experiences that combine luxury, uniqueness, and adventure, ensuring every moment will be worth remembering. The first stop on our inspiring journey is a focus on destinations that prioritize serenity, beauty, and indulgence. These are perfect for those seeking to unwind in the lap of luxury. Picture yourself along the Amalfi Coast in Italy. Here, cliffside villas overlook sparkling turquoise waters, offering panoramic views and complete tranquility. Spend your days sipping on fine Italian wine, exploring Mediterranean towns, or soaking in the sun by your private infinity pool. This legendary destination is a haven for relaxation, combining natural beauty with timeless elegance. Or consider the overwater bungalows of Bora Bora. Imagine waking up to the gentle sound of waves under your villa and stepping directly into crystal-clear waters. Known for their exclusivity and world-class hospitality, these resorts redefine restful luxury. Pair this experience with therapeutic spa treatments and sunset cruises, and you have paradise at your fingertips. And for those who long for a slice of heaven in seclusion, the Maldives might be your perfect fit. Stay at a private island resort, where white sandy beaches meet endless azure seas. Here, you'll find unparalleled peace, with your only decision being whether to relax by the beach or snorkel in the vibrant coral reefs. Every detail is designed to pamper you. If you have a devotion to history, art, and culture, allow your travels to ignite your curiosity and appreciation for the world's richest traditions. Consider an exclusive luxury Nile cruise in Egypt. Step aboard an elegant riverboat designed for intimate experiences as you sail along the storied waters. Marvel at ancient pyramids and temples with a private guide who brings centuries of history to life. Add in VIP experiences like a tour inside the Great Pyramid or a private viewing of the Sphinx, and this journey becomes unforgettable. Another cultural treasure awaits in Kyoto, Japan. Walk among tranquil Zen gardens and ancient temples, immersing yourself in the country's timeless traditions. Stay at boutique ryokans, experiencing Japanese hospitality at the highest level. From tea ceremonies with master artisans to strolling through cherry blossom-lined pathways, Kyoto offers a serene blend of heritage and sophistication. For the intrepid explorer, India's Golden Triangle, Jaipur, Agra, and Delhi, presents a culturally immersive adventure. Travel through opulent palace hotels, marvel at the splendor of the Taj Mahal, and indulge in culinary delights that capture the essence of India. Private guided tours add a layer of exclusivity, allowing you to uncover the rich history behind these wonders. For some, retirement signifies an opportunity to chase the thrill of adventure. Combine your love for exploration with luxurious comfort and make memories that stand out. Embark on a safari in Kenya, where breathtaking wildlife meets five-star accommodations. Imagine waking up in a plush safari lodge, listening to the distant roar of lions and the call of exotic birds. Spend your days on game drives through the savannah, spotting elephants, giraffes, and cheetahs, while expert guides ensure your trip is as exciting as it is safe. Evenings end under the stars with gourmet meals prepared just for you. Another bucket list-worthy adventure awaits in the Arctic. Journey to a luxury glass igloo or stay in the world-famous ice hotel in Sweden, where you can admire the northern lights in warmth and style. Let the magical glow of the aurora borealis transport you to another world as you sip on hot cocoa wrapped in the coziest of blankets. It's an adventure that blends natural wonder with exclusive comfort. For something truly unique, set your sights on Turkey's Cappadocia, a dreamlike landscape of ancient caves and mystical rock formations. Here, hop aboard a hot air balloon, soaring over the extraordinary terrain at sunrise. Finish the day in a luxurious cave hotel, blending the magic of history with modern-day indulgence. They say the way to the heart is through the stomach, so stir the passion for culinary exploration with experiences that elevate your palate. Begin in France's prestigious Bordeaux region, renowned for its world-class wines. Take private vineyard tours, enjoy exclusive wine tastings, and even blend your own bottle under the guidance of expert vintners. Pair this with gourmet dining experiences at Michelin-starred restaurants for an unparalleled indulgence. In Tuscany, Italy, embark on a truffle hunting adventure alongside seasoned experts and their loyal dogs. Enjoy an immersive journey that culminates with a luxurious farm-to-table meal featuring your freshly unearthed treasures. Add a rustic yet elegant winery visit, and you have the ultimate Italian culinary escape. Or perhaps join a cooking class in one of the world's top culinary capitals, such as Paris, where renowned chefs teach you the secrets to mastering haute cuisine. Take your love for food and wine to new heights with these treasured experiences. For a truly one-of-a-kind escape, consider destinations known as much for their location as for their innovative luxury accommodations. Sweden's Ice Hotel is a marvel of design, built anew each winter using ice and snow. Spend a night in this frosty wonderland while enjoying art, adventure, and all the warmth you'd expect from luxurious service. It's a stay unlike any other. Or how about Cambodia's floating eco-lodges, nestled within stunning river ecosystems? These secluded retreats blend sustainability with extravagance, offering unmatched serenity surrounded by nature. For those looking at tropical adventures, consider Costa Rica's eco-luxury resorts. With private plunge pools and breathtaking vistas of lush rainforests, they deliver a perfect balance of relaxation and exploration. Whether zip-lining through the jungle canopy or sipping coffee on a volcano view terrace, this experience is bound to leave you feeling refreshed. With so many extraordinary destinations and experiences to explore, where do you begin? Start by reflecting on what excites you most. Do you yearn for cultural immersion, natural beauty, or thrilling adventures? Let your passions guide you. Create a bucket list tailored to your dreams. Write down places you've always imagined visiting, paired with experiences that ignite your enthusiasm. Maybe it's a destination you've cherished since childhood, or an activity you couldn't spare time for before retirement. The key to a meaningful journey is making it personal. When crafting your list, consider prioritizing once-in-a-lifetime opportunities. Whether it's witnessing the Great Migration in Africa or sipping champagne atop the Eiffel Tower, these are the moments that become lasting memories. As you plan your luxury travel adventures, keep these practical tips in mind to ensure a seamless and enjoyable experience. First, seek out concierge travel services or agencies specializing in bespoke travel planning. They can arrange exclusive experiences like private jet charters, skip-the-line access to iconic landmarks, and personalized itineraries catered to your preferences. Second, prioritize comfort and security. For long-haul journeys, consider first-class or business-class travel to arrive refreshed and ready to explore. Where possible, opt for private transfers to eliminate unnecessary hassles. Lastly, ensure peace of mind by investing in comprehensive travel insurance that covers medical emergencies and trip interruptions. Consult with professionals to ensure your health needs are accounted for while abroad. As you embark on this exciting chapter in life, remember that retirement is more than just the end of a career. It's a beginning filled with opportunities to create incredible memories. Luxury travel allows you to embrace the freedom and joy that come with this stage of life. The world is waiting for you, from the untouched serenity of Bora Bora to the bustling palaces of India. from thrilling safaris to joyful culinary escapades. These journeys are more than trips. They're dreams realized, stories lived, and moments cherished. It's time to seize the possibilities. Explore, indulge, discover. This is your time, your freedom, your adventure. Let the world inspire you to live your golden years in extraordinary style.